Hey friends, if you wish to clean all cache, temporary and junk files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now we will go with it step by step because there would be a lot of factors to this one. First of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Select the drive. Now check all of the boxes here. Okay, click on OK and then select delete files. So there are a lot of third-party software products like CCleaner and all which can help you with this in one go, but I suggest against using them because they need a lot of permissions. It's easier to do it without those software products as well, and I'll help you with it. The next one is to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. This will open the temporary folder. You can select all the options and then delete, and then you can remove them. Then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type %temp% and hit enter. Select any one of them, press Ctrl+A, hit delete. Click on continue. Now there will be a few files that will be left here because some applications are still under use, so simply click on skip and cancel when you see them. And lastly, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command prefetch and hit enter. Click on continue. Select this and hit delete and then cancel once they are deleted. This will clear all of the temporary files, cache, junk files and all on the system. Now see, there are junk files in the in that folder too, the downloads folder too. If you wish to clear them, that's your choice. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.